maliit ako. Kahit ordinary days, may init o ano, lumalabas talaga yung fogs. Especially kung morning.
Born and raised in Wao, Lanao del Sur, Mayor Balicao still remembers what the watershed in Barangay Banga was like years ago. The thick forest cover gave them a cool climate.
Parang naka-aircon lang kasi yung hangin parang malamig talaga na nanggaling dito sa bundok papunta sa baba.
But this eventually changed as the 2,184-hectare watershed lost most of its forest cover. For 4 decades, logging companies operated in the mountains of Wao, cutting down most of its trees.
Nag-start sila 1962. In 1996 na nakita namin na masyadong yung parang rampant na ang logging. Kilometro ng mga yung undersized logs, kinakat nila.
The people of Wao campaigned to stop the logging operations. Afraid the rivers would dry up and flash floods might occur, church groups supported by civilians barricaded the watershed for almost 3 months in 1998. But the logging operations continued. 10 years later, their worst fears became reality. Mother Nature unleashed its wrath on Wao, leaving 38 families in Barangay Capigis homeless.
Naano sila ng flash flood, napapanik na yung iba. So, nawawala na yung mga bahay. Grabe yung baha, no? So wala ka na makakita kundi puro tubig.
Wao's water source was also affected.
Yung sa Banga na dati nagpo-produce siya ng 100 liters per second dahil sa kaingin at saka sa pagpuputol ng kahoy, naging 15 liters per second na lang siya during rainy season at saka 5 liters per second during dry season.
To mitigate the effects of deforestation, the local government struck a deal with 300 watershed dwellers in 2005. The pact awarded dwellers the rights to the land for 25 to 50 years on one condition.
Patirahin kami dito, i-repares namin yung tinrabaho namin.
Under the Watershed Co-Management Development Program, the local government supplies seedlings of agroforest trees like rubber and fruit-bearing trees to farmers as they reforest the watershed. This is called the Plant Now, Pay Later scheme.
Pag productive na yung tanim na binigay sa kanila, would be the time na magbabayad sila doon. So it's either they pay in cash or buy seedlings, ibalik nila doon sa ating central nursery.
Noon, mas mahirapan kami. Pero ngayon, hindi na kami mahirapan kay bigyan kami ng lokal ng similya ng prutas. Utang namin yan, pero ang pagbayad, pag-harvest na.
Malaki pong tulong yan sa amin kasi katulad namin na maliliit na mga farmers, hindi po kami basta-basta makabili ng ganon karami.
128 hectares of land have been reforested. The local government has now strengthened its monitoring of the watershed to ensure the strict implementation of a total log ban in ARMM in 2009. So far, at least 3 truckloads of illegally cut lumber have been seized. A son of a former logger, Eupoldo says the program is his way of giving back to nature and investing in the future.
Yung tatay ko, pinutol namin ang malaking puno. Yung sa akin, nagsisi kami. May pakialam kami, ma'am, kay hindi lang mga sa amin nga matanda na. Sa bata namin, pag na-repares namin, mas maganda ang kalikasan natin.
Gusto kong maibalik. Yung nakikita ko nang maliit pa ako, yung bundok noon na puno ng kahoy at saka nandoon yung mga ibon nagliliparan. Ang kinatatakutan ko, baka yung mga anak namin sa bandang uli, yung mga next generation, kahit ibon na baka wala na sila makikita.